Barber Sessions with Dermot and Dave here in Davy Gentleman's Salon. We are in the presence of the Blizzard.
Take me back to your place. Take me back to your place. Don't say no, says no, there is no reason. Don't say no, there is no reason. Trust me, I'm a doctor. Trust me, I'm a doctor. Trust me, I'm a doctor.
There's a text in saying, lads, it's Dave in Cork. I was at a very early Blizzards gig in Cork, and because Brezzy is so tall, he spent the whole night sweating buckets because his head was in the stage lights.
Automatically assume we're farmers.
I don't think the Dermot and Dave Robbie Keane in a Limousine concept album is going to have legs. Is that what you're saying?
Well,
Straight out the back door
I'm
legs.
saying to you, we should do that song in every genre of music that was ever written.
Are you ready to get your hair wet?
Yeah, I don't have much hair, it's great.
The jails.
Dales.
The jails, okay, right.
The jails is where you go afterwards, after the jails has been too much
for a
fun.
lock-in.
Hey! Who is the current Minister for Health?
I don't fucking know. Oh, sorry, Leo Varadkar.
No, it's not Brezzy, it's not Leo Bradker.